some maintenance on my car. I'm pretty sure my outer tie rod is done, so I ordered some new ones, just waiting for those to come in. I haven't even been pushing the car that much. That's why I've been kind of slow with the POVs as well. Today I'm making sort of like a vlog. Me and some of my boys were just stepping out. You know, I'll still give y'all like a little POV and all that. See some fire jelly just did a pull beside me, but now I have my dash cam. I can clip things like that. I've been clipping everything, bro. All right, real quick, I just want to say thank you to VIOFO for sponsoring today's video. As you guys can see, I have a dash cam now. I have the interior camera, the exterior camera, and the rear one as well. Because most of the times I'm driving, I'm not recording. That's when the best things happen. Like, I'll be running into races and stuff like that. Plus, you guys are going to be able to see my reaction as well. It could be really helpful if you get into an accident. This dash cam is not just any dash cam. So this one that I got is the A229 Plus. If you guys are trying to get the same exact model as me. But this is definitely one of my most awaited things to get for my car. Also, the quality of this is super good. As y'all can see, this is what it looks like. And the videos that I save, it shows a little lock on it. And these other ones is just a parking mode. Because this dash cam actually has a 24-hour parking mode. But yeah, to save these is super easy. That's it, and it just goes right to your photos. So a huge thank you to VIOFO for sending me out this dash cam. I was really needed one of these. Plus, you guys are going to be getting a bunch more content with it. Make sure y'all check out VIOFO. Link in the description, and use my coupon code for $10 off. So yeah, I hope y'all boys enjoy the rest of this video.
Yeah. My nigga, so we shout out my G's, my nigga.
That shit fresh though. It's clean.
My nigga, these shoes are really unusual now.
That's your shit though, nigga.
So it's recording right now.
See you blinking right now. But we did early though. Where's that? Where the f shit right here? Yeah. Leon Corvette. Oh, this is 062. E90 M3. This ain't even at the meet yet. I parked back there too. I ain't never seen an SVJ in my life. It's one of my dream cars. That's some real shit. Yo, that's a Bugatti right there. Damn, I'm stunned, dog. And I believe there's SVJs. Look at that. This STO. Montreal. Montreal got fire car meets. It's like a Montreal meet. That's what they call it. Yeah.
That's a Bugatti right there.
That's what I was showing you. I forgot what it's called. That's the new ones. This is the new McLaren too. I don't remember what they call it. See, I'm bad with my car names now. How am I forgetting all this? But I just know it's a new one. Everyone around the Bugatti. Damn. The whole car is carbon.
Facts.
Yeah. That's crazy, yo. There's like the most random, crazy cars you'll find. Look at this, the M5. There's a hatchback one, the new ones. Hey, low-key, I've been shy to walk over to the SVJ. I ain't even gonna lie. I've been kind of shy, like Orlando. I can't believe I'm actually going like, to see SVJ. I forgot what it's called, but I know this is the new Lambo. V12, yeah, big V12. This is another.
I'm the year, bro.
Oh, wow. What's up? That's crazy, for real. There's like a little bit of everything. Yo, let me go look at that SVJ though. I saved the best for last. I know some of y'all see supercars a lot though, but like we got bad winters, and when it's winter time, ain't nobody be having supercars out. 991 GT3 RS. SF90 going crazy. We end up here at the grocery store. I don't even know how our night ended like this. I'm not sure if I'm recording this, but hopefully y'all boys enjoy this video. Let me know if y'all mess with the kind of like vlog.